So here we have to find the area between the curves axis of y and x equal to 4 and x equal to 9y square. So first, before finding the area, we need to first draw the diagram. So here we have our xy axis. So this is my x and this is my y. Now y axis basically means what? They are talking about this line. Like this is y axis. Okay, so that's my axis of y. So this one is axis of y, or we can say y axis. Then x equal to 4. So to plot this x equal to 4, it's a straight line. What I need to do is we need to plot a point 4 comma 0. So 4 means what? The value of x is 4 and the value of y is 0. So 4 comma 0 will be in here. So here we have 4 comma 0, and the line will look like this one. This is my x is equal to 4 line. Now we have x is equal to 9y square. So x is equal to 9y square means what? You see, x is square of something. So if x is square of something means what? X is always positive, and if x is always positive, it means in the first quadrant and in the fourth quadrant my graph will lie, because in these two quadrants x is always positive. So my graph will look like, wait a second, yeah, so my graph will basically look like this one and this one. This is how my graph of the parabola will look like, x equal to 9y square. Now, so which area we have to find? So area enclosed by all these three graphs, and that area is nothing but, we are talking about this area, this one and this one. These two are the areas which are enclosed by the three graphs. Now one thing I see is that these two, the first quadrant and fourth quadrant, they are symmetrical. What I mean to say is that this portion, that is A1, area 1 and area 2, both are symmetrical. Since they are symmetrical, if we just find one of them, then we can multiply it with 2, then we can get the entire area, right? So we can write here, since the parabola is symmetrical about x-axis, so the total area is equal to area enclosed, so the total area is equal to area enclosed by the parabola, and the line x equal to 4 and the line x is equal to 4 in the first quadrant. So any quadrant I will take. So all I need is to find the area of this portion. I'm just finding the area of this portion. Wait a second, let me just, so I'm finding the area of this portion. So how can I find? I told you what, in order to find area, we need to make we need to have a rectangle. So let's just draw a rectangle like this. So the area will be nothing but, this one will be twice into that area. So it will be 2 into integration of, from where to where? It's starting from 0. The x value varies from what? This length is dx, right? And this length is my y. So the value of x varying from what? 0 to 4. So my limit will be from 0 to 4, and we have y dx. This is what we have. The length is y and the breadth is dx. So now this y, you see, it's touching what? It's touching the parabola. So I will take the y of the parabola. So from here, x equal to 9y square. So if I have to write x by 9 is equal to y square. So therefore y will be equal to what? The square will go that side and it will become square root. So it becomes square root of x by 9, and this 9 can get outside from the square root, and it will become root 1 by 3 root x. So basically what we have is integration of 4 to 0 root x by 3 dx. This is what we have. So this 3 we can take it out. So we have 2 by 3, and integration of root x is x to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1. So we have x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, and this will be 0 to 4. So now this 3 by 2 it will interchange. This 2 will go up and 3 will remain down. So if 2 goes up, we get what? 4 by 3. We get 4 by 9, and 3 remains down. 3 into 3 is 9. And in place of x, if I write 4, so 4 to the power 3 by 2, and 0 I don't need to write. So we have 4 by 9. This is your 2 square, 3 by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. We have 4 by 9 into 8. That's coming out to be 32 by 9. So that's how we solve this problem.